Filipino Pride of Heritage takes center stage this month as the National Commission on Culture and the Arts celebrates the National Heritage Month. The worldwide community of museums will also celebrate International Museum Day on May 18. Joining us this morning is Dr. Ana Maria Teresa Labrador, Assistant Director of the National Museum of the Philippines, to tell us more about this. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So what does the National Museum have in store for us for International Museum Day?
Well, tomorrow we will open our doors and it will be free because normally we charge an admission fee. But tomorrow we'll open the doors from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 in the afternoon so that people can partake of the museums. We're also free on Sundays anyway, so it's a weekend of free admission.
It's open to all ages?
All ages, yes. So we have actually 3 museums in Manila. We have the Manila Planetarium, the National Planetarium, and then we have also the Museum of the Filipino People. And we've opened 25 new galleries at the National Art Gallery. So that used to be the Congress building.
In celebration of the National Heritage Month, did you make any changes, particular for this celebration?
Well, we have a series of events for the weekend. Tomorrow we will have the orphans of the military come in. We'll tour them around the Museum of the Filipino People. And then on the 25th, we'll have a storytelling workshop with the children at the Intramuros barangays. So we'll have the support of GASFI, which is the amazing Sampaguita Foundation, because they'll give us the books so that we could read to the children. So that will be quite fun, because we think that children are actually the supporters of the museum someday. They will be, you know, the potential is there that if they get used to the sensibilities of museums, they will be the main supporters of museums in the future.
Actually, I was about to ask you also, how has visits to museums in the Philippines been? I mean, has it been increasing? Because I used to remember that we only visited museums because it was required by our professors.
Yes.
How is it now?
So now we're kind of, the reason why I'm here is that to open more of these this potential for museums to become part of our leisure services, no? So that we don't just go to malls. So we have increasingly opened up more galleries. We have more of our collections out for the public. And so I think it has gone up since we've opened 25 new galleries at the National Art Gallery, about a third increase in visitorship. But that's not, of course, good enough. We want more. So we're striving to provide more of the facilities, like maybe cafeterias and shops and stuff like that, so that people would just go there. In a way, it's like a one-stop shop, so people can just spend the entire day there.
How do you keep? How does the National Museum keep itself updated?
Well, we always kind of feel that we need to do much more for the public. You know, it's we are a government museum. We want to be to appear to the taxpayers that we're actually doing right by what they give to us as subsidy. So we are now really at the start of building a natural history museum.
Oh, this is the new one.
The new one, yes. And as soon as the Department of Tourism leave their buildings, we will be creating the Natural History Museum there, because I think it's high time that we highlight the importance of the Philippines, in terms of biodiversity, and so that people who will go there will also be more environmentally aware.
And lastly, ma'am, with the emergence of commercial museums, especially here in Metro Manila, how has it affected the National Museum?
I think it complements us very nicely. Again, it's this development of the sensibilities of going to museums. You know, it's not just entertainment, it's about feeling pride that we Filipinos have so much to offer. We could also see that the potential of, you know, kind of engaging in this. People, small children, for instance, might want to become scientists.
I hope so too.
Yes, thank you.
So let's head on to the National Museum.
Yes,
and
please.
let's support our local museums, especially.
Yes,
and hopefully
and
in the
don't
future.
forget to come tomorrow. It's free, and then also every Sunday it's free. Please visit
Okay.
us.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Dr. Ana Maria Teresa Labrador, she's the Assistant Director of the National Museum of the Philippines. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for having me here.